That string. The string.
Spring ain't gonna do it. It ain't got no power.
You don't need no power. That's what my man right here doing. Yeah, pull it.
Nah, but the emergency brake on.
Oh, you got that, it's electronic brake on.
Yeah, go ahead and pull it.
That,
It's good, you good. Okay, I'll give it in a few minutes.
Then pull it. Alright.
see, they need a default for that now.
But if it got any kind of power, it'll release it so it come off. But if it ain't got no power, it ain't gonna release it.
Oh, well, the orange cable will release the transmission.
Yeah, but what I'm saying, if it ain't got no power, it won't release the power. None at all.
Oh, you do put lube down there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's smart as shit.
Yeah, I know about the string on home.
Huh? I know damn well Pete know about the string.
Yeah, but it ain't just a string. If it ain't got no power, it won't release the back brake.
Real brakes, man.
That ain't back brake shit.
Real brakes.
This thing.
Back brakes. So what's wrong with the valve? You know, the battery there? Nothing to jump box wouldn't do it. Oh, he lost power. That look like, I see stickers on there. That's a brand new car?
Right here. Right here. Yeah, it's
Well, y'all still charge full price even coming across the street?
still $75, $85 for it.
Damn! They could be going right across the house.
Yeah, the moment, if I gotta put anything on it, it's home. That's happening.
Okay, how far you going, huh?
Yeah. After 11 o'clock, it gets real good.
Yeah.
That's $125 for me to hook up after 11. And $3 a month. Man, if I gotta get out my bed too.
You ain't gotta get paid, Pete.
Let me find this car for you.
I'm gonna take it because I know this.
Well, you can get to him if you want to.
All right. Well, the desk that they have a sticky note on the desk and a Hertz card on the desk. Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, y'all witnessed that. I was getting upset. I was minding my own business, and I saw a tow truck driver down here shaking off a Pacifica. Y'all know the Pacifica. Y'all know I did a video on that. Watch this video right here. The emergency shift override. Remember, I talk about that a lot, guys. I personally think this is the law. Okay, but now I personally think they need to adjust it to include emergency brakes. Okay, according to my man in tow truck. Yeah, I already know about the string and the shift override. Anything with a rotary shifter, guys. Rotary meaning, you know, it's not your traditional shifter where you grab the lever and pull down and put in gear. Rotary basically is electronic. Okay, electronically. All right, so anything like that is based off or reserved for operation until you have. Look, it's a car just like this. Is what he was jerking down. It's a car reserved for full electronics. Okay, so which meaning the battery. What supplies the electronics, guys? Yes, you guessed it. The freaking battery. The battery has to be up to par. That battery has to be charged. Okay, or your electronics will not work. That's one of the things these electric cars are dependent on. Very, very, very dependent on 12 volts. All right. So my man, I was relieved to hear that he aware of the string in it, but until I found out there's no 12 volt source. Now there has to be a way around that, guys, and I won't quit until I find out and share that with you guys. So stay tuned. All right here. Yeah, well, when I find out, I'm gonna share that with you guys. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Y'all see that? Wait a minute. Is it me? Am I crazy? Y'all tell me, am I crazy or not? Okay. No, I'm not crazy. This wheel, you just walk up on all kinds of things out here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. From this angle, maybe I am crazy. No, that's bent. Okay. Now guys, every time I see this in one of these high power charger, what is this? Is this a 6-volt? It's got a Hellcat in it? Okay, yes. Every time I see this, I'm reminded of what I see on social media all the time. You know, a guy spinning off, burning off, and they hit their brake and they go, boom, hit a sidewalk or something. I'm always reminded, I see that all the time. I'm always thinking that's what be causing this. Okay, but you don't know. We don't know until I'm sure we're waiting on the insurance adjuster. Repairs like this is almost always insurance, okay? Very seldomly rare that they warranty. If it's warranty, it's like a defect, but no, something like that has to be induced. Okay, in other words, something caused that. Now, how did I get off topic? I don't know how I got off topic. I just walked by and saw that. Yes, guys, shift override is very important. You won't damage the vehicle or your vehicle, the tow truck that is. Okay, but he got it off and all right, now let me get back to the matter at hand. I'm out here looking for a Cherokee. Let me toot my horn. Okay, it's over here, guys. Transmission problem. Now, before you again, Chrysler junk Jeep got no, man. Don't always assume a transmission complaint is a real hardcore transmission problem. No, man. Guys, these are electrical control transmissions, which means nowadays, you know, it has changed the way you diagnose. Remember back in the day, first thing you do is grab a rag. So on a transmission complaint, first thing you do is grab a rag so you can check the fluid. However, there is no dipstick or dipstick tube on this particular 9-speed 948 TE ZF transmission. All right. So, first thing you have to do now is check the electronics. I mean, you still need to verify there's fluid in it. If you don't see visibly fluid underneath, you likely still full, guys. That's the way they was training us. All right. It is hard to. All right, guys. So now, as far as servicing these transmissions, depends on your definition of service, guys. My definition of service is when you change the fluid and the filter, okay? Every transmission is going to have some sort of filter. You have to. There's no transmission out there built without a filter. You have to have a way to filtration. You have to have a way to filter out potential trash that can come from inside the transmission, not outside, inside, okay? Guys, transmission, the torque converter, every time you start your car, there's some wear on your torque converter, okay? A torque converter has clutches just like anything else. That debris from those clutches has to go somewhere, all right? So it will likely end up in the pan, but it's the filter jobs to filter that stuff out so it won't make its way back into the transmission. So, but this particular transmission is extremely hard to do a properly transmission service. In fact, watch this video right here. I talk about that, okay? So, guys, I'm in the shop. I got to proceed with diagnosing this car. I'll keep y'all up to date and let y'all know what's up. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to start another video, and I'll be right back.